many misunderstanding blockchains, even those with a strong grasp of technological concepts. For this reason, entering or transitioning into blockchain development might seem challenging. But blockchain technology is less mysterious than its reputation. This video demystifies blockchain technology and development for all levels of expertise. What is a blockchain? A blockchain is a type of database used to store and organize information. Traditional databases arrange information into rows and columns that make up tables. This makes the information easy for computers to recognize. With blockchains, however, information is digitally formatted and collected into clusters or blocks. Each block has a limited storage capacity. Once that capacity is reached, the block closes and links to the preceding block via cryptography, creating a chain. Cryptography creates an unchangeable timestamp when one block links to another. This permanent record verifies the accuracy of sensitive information like transactions. Traditional databases, on the other hand, are typically controlled by a central authority. Sensitive data may be managed and maintained by an organization or administrator. What is blockchain development? Blockchain development refers to building, maintaining, and designing blockchain applications and systems. Overall, it seeks to use the unique features of blockchain technology to solve problems and create opportunities. An example of innovative blockchain development is the smart contract. Smart contracts are documented agreements between two parties, just like regular contracts. Unlike ordinary contracts, however, smart contracts are also programs stored on a blockchain. These programs are triggered to run only when both parties meet the agreed upon terms and conditions. This automated compliance ensures the correct execution of a contract in real time. Comparing smart contracts to parking meters is a great way to conceptualize their utility. You insert the correct payment and receive the parking validation corresponding to that payment. There is no need for third-party involvement like a cashier because the agreement is fixed. What does a blockchain developer do? A blockchain developer is a software developer who focuses on blockchain technology. Developers program, develop, and test software and systems. There are two primary types of blockchain developers. 1. Core blockchain developer. Core blockchain developers develop and maintain the architecture of blockchain systems. They design protocols, develop security patterns, and supervise the network as a whole. 2. Blockchain software developer. Blockchain software developers build applications onto existing blockchain platforms. They handle front-end and back-end development, design, and maintenance. What are the benefits of becoming a blockchain developer? Demand for blockchain developers is high because they work with disruptive and exciting technology. As a result, job opportunities in this field are abundant. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics (BLS) projects a 22% growth in software development jobs between 2020 and 2030. Studies suggest the blockchain's market will climb to over $39 billion by 2025. Gaining skills surrounding a rapidly growing technology can help make you a more competitive job candidate. Additionally, many blockchain developers' salaries are high-paying. Glassdoor reports an average salary of $119,780 per year for blockchain developers in the United States. How to become a blockchain developer? If you are brand new to the blockchain industry, you will likely start by learning how to code. Many blockchain developers begin their careers with degrees in computer science or information technology. Once you've gained a foundational knowledge of software development and computer programming, you'll focus on specializing in blockchains. The following section explores 3 action items for aspiring developers and those transitioning into blockchain development from a related role. Learn essential skills. The list covers some core concepts for blockchain developers. Programming. As mentioned above, coding will be the framework of your blockchain development expertise. Beginners can learn the fundamentals of coding with courses like Duke University's Programming Fundamentals. Programming languages. Expand your skill set by learning a few of the most common programming languages blockchain developers use. Python is one of the most popular languages in blockchain development due to its versatility. Google's crash course on Python is a highly regarded introduction to it. Cryptography. Cryptography is an integral component of blockchain technology. It protects sensitive information by ensuring the contents of a message can only be seen by the intended recipient. Those interested in learning more about cryptography or becoming certified in cryptography might consider Cryptography 1 from Stanford University. Smart contracts. As mentioned above, a smart contract is a program stored on the blockchain. Through automated compliance, it enables two parties to execute agreements without an intermediary. If you want to work with smart contracts, you may want to become certified in smart contract development. The second course in the Blockchain Specialization series focuses on smart contract expertise. Data structures. For blockchain developers to successfully build and implement networks, they must be able to work with a variety of data structures like Merkle trees. Learn more about common data structures and how to implement them with the Data Structures Specialization offered by the University of California, San Diego. Blockchain architectures. Understanding each type of blockchain architecture is helpful in identifying an area of career focus. Currently, there are 4 types of blockchain architectures: public, private, consortium, and hybrid. Through the Blockchain Foundations and Use Cases course, aspiring blockchain developers can expand their knowledge of blockchain architecture, applications, and use cases.